Yo, what's up, captains? And as you can see, I'm having something gave me this mystery fidget spinners. These are Justice League. Yes, this is Justice League, guys. This is Superman. This is Batman. Actually, I'm this fidget spinners. I can do tricks every single morning. There we go. Not too bad. So guys, look at these. All these Justice League high bearing. All of these are high bearing. All of these are high bearing, but I like Batman. So if I triple it, there we go. Changes to blue, black, dark blue. Oh, no. Ah, oh man. Yup. Oh man. Oh, there we go. Yes, we did it. Ow, ow. It's gonna be ow, 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 ow. Okay. Ow. Fuck. My nose. Oh, freaks. Ow, 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 oh my goodness. So that's, guys, we can go by with ourselves, and wanna see this fidget spinners chicken on Facebook. Gonna post it later from 10 minutes. Yep, 10 minutes. Okay, so bye guys. Wait, I'm just gonna bye guys.